Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Oreo Cheesecake made by Almondy Corporation. Now this is a very interesting product. First of all, it comes in this glass jar. And on the back we see some information and we see that it's baked in Belgium for Almondy, Sweden, and the Oreo trademark of Mondelez. So many different parties involved in this product. It's a collaboration, it's a collab product. But yeah, let's open it up and see what we have. Ooh. I like how you can see through the glass jar. You can see the product inside. The top is actually not glass. The top is plastic, so that's interesting. Let's see. It opens just like that. There's no seal, no nothing. Yeah, this is the cheesecake. And we can see the Oreo biscuits on top of it. Look at that. Look at that. It looks really yummy. And I can already smell it. The classic cheesecake flavor. Let's go ahead and taste it up. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Oreo cheesecake tastes any good. Now the smell. The smell is the classic, glorious cheesecake smell. Really good, really tasty, really flavorful smell. I like it. Let's get the spoon and dig in to the cheesecake. Ooh, it's soft, so soft. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oreo cheesecake. How does it taste like? Let's go. My mouth is in heaven. The flavor heaven. So yummy. So soft. The cheese on top. Really sugary, melting in your mouth. And on the bottom, we see the crust, the dough that is made from Oreo. Okay, now I got the biscuit pieces as well. The biscuit pieces are really soft actually. I think they have watered down, so they're not crunchy anymore. Yeah, the biscuit pieces are soft. It's like melting in your mouth. I think it would be better if they were like crunchy, like the normal Oreo. But I think it's impossible to make it like that because it's a fresh product. It's not dried up. So when they're in this glass jar, of course, they will become soggy. You know, it's really yummy. The flavor is good. But the size, only 80 grams of cheesecake inside. And the price, over €3. But I got this on discount for only €1. So I think if this is only like discount €1, it's worth it. But over €3 for couple spoons of cheesecake, definitely not worth it. The initial flavor of this cheesecake was much better when I first tasted it, but this is the same problem that they have with sugary foods. When you eat too much of it, your flavor buds become overwhelmed because the amount of sugar. So I wish I like cheesecake with a little bit less sugar, more mild down flavor, and let the cheese do the work. But this is all about the sugar here. still, it's interesting try. Look, almost finished already. It's so quick. Let's do a funny test, because why is this glass jar? Why don't they come in plastic like other products? So 1 second, hold on. I have my scale here, and this is 80 grams of cheesecake inside. But guess how much this weighs with the packaging? It's 200 grams almost. So 80 grams of product and 118 grams of just the packaging. So I think that's kind of waste. So way over half of the weight of this product is just from the packaging. So that is not very ecological, so minus points for that. Why can't they do it in plastic or wooden wrapper? I think they could have pulled it off somehow, because nowadays you have the cardboard that you can have the thin layer of plastic inside that is like super ecological, and it's like a very lightweight, so you don't have to use a lot of gas and oil to transport the product from place to place. But it's still interesting. Maybe you can use this cup to grow plants or something. Yeah, this is good size for small plant. So I think people should reuse this. What should I give the rating? The first bites were good, but after that I realized it's way too sugary. Let's give it a 8 out of 10. Like, no, 7.5 out of 10, because we have to minus points for the unecological packaging and also too much sugar. But still, it's a good treat if you like sugary food, and especially if you like Oreo. The Oreo flavor was not so strong in this one, but it was still there somehow. But it's more about the cheese here. I think this Almondy Corporation, they have other products that are much greater. For example, the Dime frozen cake. That one is the best. I always eat that on my birthday. So I'm a little bit disappointed that this one wasn't meeting the expectations. Yeah, 7.5 out of 10 for Oreo Cheesecake made by Almondy. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you tried it or not, and what should I review next. And as always, subscribe, like the video, and I will see you guys in the next consumer goods review. Thanks for watching.